Changing out some of the light fixtures in your RV can make it feel a little bit more homey. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and we carry an assortment of lighting fixtures on our site. And one of them is this decorative ceiling light. The product code is RP-1900-KT. I'll go ahead and put the dimensions of this light up here on the screen for you guys. So if you guys are into that minimalistic design, then this is the light for you. It pairs this dark gray steel finish with this frosted lens. So not only does this light look good, but it's also durable as well, which is great for when you are out on the road. It features this bright LED bulb. It is non-replaceable, but it is bright, long-lasting, and offers a 3000 K color temperature, which is like a warm white light. One of the best parts about this light is that it has this nice, convenient on-off switch built right into the light so that you don't have to get up and go all the way across the room just to turn the light on overhead. Simply just reach up and click it on or click it off. It has an easy hookup and an easy installation with just a 2-wire hookup, as it is run off of 12-volt power. This is the perfect light for your hallways, living rooms, or even your kitchens. So if you are interested in adding a little bit of a minimalistic design to your RV, then please check out the link for this light down in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to see more, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.